So we can see that there are many different affects that can get raised, as they will get raised in psychotherapy. So for those of us who do work with trauma survivors, we will see a host of different reactions that we may experience at different times. So the story here raises a variety of different questions, and these are just some of them, but there are many different questions that will be raised. One question is, what is the place of forgiveness of the perpetrator? So first I'm going to talk about forgiveness of the perpetrator in this 3-hour webinar. First chunk of it is going to be looking at forgiveness of the perpetrator, and then we'll look at other issues in regard to forgiveness. What is the place of forgiveness of the perpetrator in trauma recovery? Is there a place for forgiveness? Is it a requirement